God has infinite imagination. Source of creation has no limits. It's boundless. Its love is boundless. Therefore, you will see the spectrum of living, the spectrum of lifestyle, the spectrum of love in all his creation, including in us and in nature. Just look around, think, observe, and you will see that no one is an abomination. A horseshoe male carrying a fertilized egg for full term. 2 male penguins parenting a baby penguin. 2 male dogs having sexual relations with each other. A human baby being born with both genitalia.